No, as of now, see, because we have not received any complaint, in written complaint. And this also we just came to know, I think, from social media. So that's why I think right now, until and unless we receive a written complaint, or we have concrete evidence to know that it's really affecting, so then only I think we as a health department will send for the any kind of survey or anything, because right now nobody has come forward to give any kind of complaint.
The overall pollution there is affecting the health of the people. What is that?
That will be definitely there, because last time also I think it's already came in national media as well. And for this also you need to understand, because as you know that Birmingham is a bordering area with Assam, and even now also it is a huge debate that the majority of this pollution is coming from where, because as you know that I think majority of this factory also fall under Assam as well. So that's why it is I think still it is still the debate is there, that to know that how much pollution is coming from where. But at the same time we do realize that pollution knows no boundary, so it will affect both sides. So it is high. Last time also I think even from the level from Chief Minister as well, that he has assured that he will discuss this with our counterpart in Assam, so to discuss that how we can bring down the pollution. But I think just in the recently media also, I don't recall exactly, but I think there is also I think, if I'm not mistaken, just a few days ago also, I think the Meghalaya's Pollution Control Board has received one award, mentioning that because of their effort in reducing the pollution in Birmingham. So I think that itself also shows that the government is fully aware and fully serious regarding. Right now I cannot, because I don't have the proper knowledge about that, because I don't know which particular factory is that, because like I said, even I also know just a few days back, and since it is not it is not in my department, and it doesn't come through me, so that's why like right now I think it's not wise for me to comment anything which I'm not 100% sure. So but definitely I think this is under border Birmingham, like I said, and I already mentioned that it is in border area. So I think it might be in Meghalaya, it might be in Assam.